Alright, I'm going to make a video today on how I heat my stock tank water for my cows in the winter for probably about a little less than 50 cents a day. 14 degrees last night. I'm going to take Kanishiwa down and see the cows, see if it starts. Sometimes it starts hard when it's cold. Give you a view of Overeasy Township. Chickens are out today, the sun's up. Pick the plow up. Started right up. Let it warm up just a minute. Turn that blower off. I'm sure that's annoying. Chickens are out and happy. One-handed driving and shifting. My left hand is probably a little interesting. Alright, no cars. Let's go. Alright. Here we are. Of course, the sun's not going to cooperate today with making a video, but we'll leave Kanishiwa running to warm up and get some heat. And then I let the clutch out and installed it. So here's where the water is. I have pretty good size. I think 150 gallon stock tank. I can't remember. But as you can kind of see, sun in the shadow of Mr. Bill blocking it. The water's not frozen. It was 14 degrees last night. I put a piece of plywood over half of the top, shoved the other half through the fence, and buried it with old hay, some old bedding, and put wood chips around this side. So it's fairly well insulated. The tank heater I've got it's not on the tag, but it's 500 watts. I bought it off Amazon. And then I have it on a timer and a meter to keep track of the cost. We'll take a look at that. All right, so here's the timer. I have it coming on 15 minutes or 30 minutes every 45 minutes. It's been down to 0 degrees out, and we've had no frozen water. I've had the meter on it for 8 days, and it's cost $3.77 at 9 kilowatts an hour. So that's how I'm heating my stock tank for approximately 50 cents a day. Say hi to Bill and Spindle. All right. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks. Have a great day.